Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very interesting scratch program for you, and let's see what is the output of this program. The program is only consist of 5 blocks here. You can see that, and it will give you an amazing result. So first of all, let me quickly make it a big screen, and then this time I'm not going to press the green flag button. I am going to press the space bar key from my keyboard and see what happens. Look at this. When I press the space bar, the monkeys on the bed jumps like this. So I hope that it seems interesting to you. If you want to make this program, so follow the steps. Let me quickly delete the monkeys and then start from the beginning. Okay, first you have to go and choose a sprite. I am using a monkey sprite, so on the search bar, I'm going to write monkey and then look, this monkey appears. This is a very cute monkey which has 3 costumes. If you click on the monkey and then you see the size is a little big for the bed. So what I have to do, look at this size here. Instead of 100, change it to 50, and press enter. Now the monkey size looks fine. Okay, once you are done, first we will do everything for one single monkey, and then I will duplicate the same monkey to make the second copy of it. So, if you are done till now, from where you get this backdrop? Easy peasy. Look at this one. This button next to choose a sprite is choose a backdrop. Open this. Look at the beautiful backdrops you have on Scratch. Now from here I have choose this one, bedroom 3. You can choose bedroom 1, bedroom 2, or whatever backdrop you like, you can choose that. Okay, for me I have chosen this one. Okay, now I have set the monkey at the top of the bed. Let's start the programming here, but before that let me quickly show you the costumes. We have 3 costumes for monkey. This is monkey A, monkey B with the eyes. You can see it's a little up, and then monkey C with the eyes on the right hand side and the hands are down. What I will be doing, I will keep only 2 costumes. I don't need costume C, so I will delete this one. Okay, so one is where the hands are up and B is where the hands are down. I will keep these 2 costumes only. It's up to you. If you want 3 costumes, you can have 3 of them and no need to delete the third one. But for me, I'm just keeping costume A and B for the monkey. Let's go back to the code section. And now here we are going to write the program. The first instruction I need is go to the motion blocks, scroll down a little, and there is a command change y by 10. I am going to drag this block here in my programming window, change y by 10. Now you have to make this number not 10. 10 is very small number. If you see by clicking here, the monkey goes a very little up. I need a big jump. For the big jump, I need a bigger number. So make it 5050. If you can see, click on the command and see. Now it looks like that the monkey can jump a little bigger. Now the next instruction will be your wait instruction. You can go to the control and see this one, wait 1 second command, put over here and then go back to the motion blocks and use the same command again, change y by 10, but remember that you have made 50 here, so you need to make minus 50 here so that the monkey will come back again to its original place. Let me quickly play this for you. Look at this one. The monkey goes up, by the distance of 50 and then goes back again. But if you see that the delay or the waiting time is long, so you need to reduce the waiting time by 0.5 second. So it will be more quick jump. Yes, it looks nice. Now the next thing is you have to go to looks and use the next costume command so that every time when the monkey jumps, the costume will change. One time the hands are up, one time the hands are down. Look at this. So this seems like the monkey is also enjoying the jumps. Now the next command is the last command that you will find in the event block. Previously we have used when green flag clicked command, which means that whenever you press the green flag, the monkey is going to jump. But right now I am showing you another command, which is this one, when space key pressed. I will put this one at the top of my program. Let's make it a little bigger so it will be easier for you to see. So this is how the program looks like. This first command means that when you will press the space bar button, then your program, your blocks will be running. So let's see. Just select this and then press the space bar. Then you can see that the monkey is jumping whenever you press the space bar of your keyboard. Okay, if you are done, then let's duplicate the same monkey from here. Go to the monkey, right click. When you will right click, you will find three options here. Go to the duplicate option. So you will have another same monkey with the same commands or same line of code here. So I'm just going to place the two monkeys on the bed like this. So you can see that they are on the bed. Now what you will be doing, just go over here, make your screen big and then press the spacebar buttons to run the program. Look at this. So, have you ever listened to the nursery rhyme? Two little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. So, this seems like that. I hope that you enjoyed the video and you will also try the same program at home. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun programs on Scratch. Bye bye.